Yep. Doing the Hiawatha. This bike trail is right on the Idaho-Montana border and is considered the crown jewel of the American Rails to Trails program. Watch this video to see what you can expect when you plan your trip here. This morning, we woke up bright and early. Well, bright and early for somebody. I was up at 4:30.
It is early.
It is early. So we were trying to get up to what's called the Hiawatha Trail, just east of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, which we're now in Montana. And it's a old railroad track that's converted to a bike trail. We're going to go over some amazing trestle bridges and some tunnels. The first tunnel is going to be like 2 miles long. We won't film the entire 2 miles, but anyway, you'll get the idea. It'll be dark and it's cold. It's like 44 degrees out here.
Put on extra clothes.
Somebody, she doesn't deal with cold at all. So anyway, this is what we're going to do. Follow along. Let's check it out. All right, so we're checking in at the trailhead. I think we are. And we paid for the shuttle ride back up. We should. Where did I put it? Right there. This is my shuttle pass. So the first tunnel we're going through is the St. Paul Pass Tunnel, and somebody mistakenly told us it was 2 miles. It's actually 1.66 miles, just for the record. You look ahead, there's a tunnel. That tunnel is the first tunnel, which is 2 miles long. Lights are mandatory. It's going to be scary. You ready, babe? Looks like a pretty awesome tunnel. We got to make sure our lights are set right angle. The moment we entered the tunnel, we felt a sudden temperature drop. We were told it's usually about 45 degrees in there. What's that?
I can see my breath. It's so cold in here.
See your breath? The humidity in the tunnel was quite high. You can't really see the water running, but if you listen real careful, you can hear the water running down the walls and dripping from the ceiling. You know, with a tunnel being this long and this dark, we thought maybe it'd start messing with our mind a little bit, or maybe even feeling a little claustrophobic. But you know, with all the people that were in there, we felt totally fine.
Yeah, I can see it in my helmet.
Good. Oh yeah, you can see it.
Fur!
We were starting to see the end of the tunnel, and we were actually kind of happy to see it, you know, because we were getting a little cold. No kidding. If it's 80 degrees outside, it could drop 40 in the tunnel. There's the light at the end of the tunnel. Yay, made it through the first one. Woohoo! We just got out of the tunnel. About a couple hundred feet later, there's a big blast of warm air. Donna's loving that. She's like, woo! I mean, we're talking probably about, what, 15 degrees difference? Yeah. Along the route, you're going to see 47 interpretive signs like this one. That kept things really interesting, and you learned a lot. See if we had one of those 360 cameras, it would pretend like we're not even holding it. Huh? Wow. The sun is shining, skies are blue, wheels are spinning, me and you. The dirt road stretches long and wide, God's blessings roll with every ride. Tunnel number 2. Says sound horn then proceed. I ain't got a horn. I go. That's my horn. What's that? Yeah.
I haven't used horn in the Band-Aid.
I'm gonna disrobe.
Ooh, nice.
Lights on. Look, way off in the distance, you can see one of the trestles.
Gravel crunching like tiny pebbles. Oh, dirt road bike ride, rolling free through the fields and by the creek. Just me racing the breeze, feeling alive. Nothing beats a dirt road bike ride. Found a puddle from last night's rain.
Apparently that's a tunnel that's closed for whatever reason. We didn't ride through it. We went around it. And we were told there was only 3, but apparently there's one more in front of us. Not sure if that last shot turned out or not, but need to try it. That is down there. Doing the Hiawatha on the trestle. I gotta get a side shot of the trestle. That's like crazy. After this pole.
Yeah.
Otherwise I'll be hiking for the camera. I need to get a 360 camera. Okay, hopefully that shot turned out. I don't want to crash, that's the problem. If I do, I'll get it on video. So is this 5?
I don't know. I think so. 3, 4, 5, yeah.
There's got to be some ghost stories. Has to be ghost stories. Yeah. We're going to have to watch the video ourselves to keep track of how many tunnels. 6. Donna says 6. I would believe her.
adventure side by side, riding fast with hearts open wide, laughing, racing, feeling free. The world is ours, just you and me.
I need lunch. She won't feed me.
Pass through parks and streets we roam, every corner.
So it looks like we've hit the end. Made it. Woohoo! Now it's lunchtime. Finally. Hello. We made it.
Woohoo!
Can we eat?
We can eat.
Lunch of champions. Salty chips. Got to replace the sodium. It's important.
PJ.
PBJs, honestly, with all the protein bars and all that out there, PBJs to this day fulfill me the most on a hike or a bike or anything than anything out there. It's good old PBJ.
Agreed.
Can't beat it. What do you guys eat? The school bus shuttle was modified to carry both bikes and people back.
We just finished our ride, and after we got dropped off by the shuttle, we had to ride through the long tunnel again.
Yeah, the 2-mile tunnel. It's on the Hiawatha Trail, and it actually starts in Montana, right?
Yes.
Yeah, starts in Montana, goes into Idaho, that kind of thing. And let me tell you, anybody can do this. We've literally seen little kids on striders to seniors, 80 plus years old. Any kind of bike will do. You don't need a special bike, anything like that. It is from the top down. It is literally all downhill. There might be some flat sections. Not a single uphill, even like remotely. It's all downhill.
And you can
Anybody
rent
can do it.
bikes and helmets and all that stuff and lights. You need to
Yep.
make sure you have a good light for your bike.
We brought lunch. You can get lunch at the bottom if you want. They'll pay extra for that. I think they have hot dogs or something like that. And but yeah, definitely this is a fun ride, as in not in like crazy mountain bike jumps or anything like that, but to go over all the trestles and through all the tunnels. And I'll have to look at our video, see how many tunnels there are. But there was a bunch.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was cool.
Yeah. And I tried riding with my 86-inch selfie stick off to the side of the trestle. I want to see how that turns out. I guess you'll see it in this video.
Guess we'll see. All right. Bye.
We have more adventures coming up down the road. Hit that subscribe button to let us know that you'll be joining us. Every time we get one more subscriber, we really do a happy dance. Plus, it keeps us motivated. Thank you guys so much for joining us.